Welcome or welcome back to my channel.
So today I will be sharing my experience at Hyatt place. Before moving further, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So this is a place located at Gurugram. For the location I will provide that in the description box. As you enter there will be security check of your bags. So here is the reception area and showing it to you. For the prices they are quite reasonable as compared to the facilities that they provide. So this was the main entering of the hotel. Via lift we reached to our room. The swimming area and the gym was closed due to COVID instructions. This was the corridor area. So here comes the gym. Meet my little cousin back.
She was very excited.
So this was our room. Just look at it. It was so good. The facilities were also very good. And if you didn't have anything in your room, they were just a phone call away. The service was very nice. So yeah, this was our bathroom. Room had all the facilities available, including the iron press or the safe or being the refrigerator. So after that we went for our food. So it was a Valentine's Day, so there was a great preparation for the Valentine's celebration, and this we had.
So good morning guys. This was our second day. Isn't it giving aesthetic vibes? The view was very nice. After that we went for our morning food. So there was buffet in morning and our morning food was included in the rent itself. So there were huge amount of things which you can have in your breakfast. A variety of food including both veg and non-veg. Lot of cereals, tea, coffee, beverages. All the juices and drinks. So my overall experience was very great at this place and I enjoyed a lot, and the facilities provided by the hotel was really nice and I enjoyed a lot. It was a great time to stay at such a lavish place and in such a reasonable rent. So yeah, showing the rest of the details to you. After that we checked out. So yeah, this was it for today's video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.